At Home Restoration Experts, we believe in transforming homes from top to bottom, delivering both beauty and protection. In this project, we worked on upgrading the roof and siding of this home to make it not only stand out but withstand the elements for years to come. Here's where we started: an aging roof with signs of wear, and siding that had lost its color and durability. While functional, this home was in need of a serious upgrade. And now, the transformation is complete. We installed premium, weather-resistant architectural shingles that not only enhance curb appeal but provide long-lasting protection. The sleek, modern siding was selected to complement the home's character, while ensuring maximum durability. At Home Restoration Experts, we don't just improve the appearance of your home, we safeguard it. Whether it's upgrading your roof, siding, or both, we're here to provide top-tier solutions for all your home improvement needs. Call us today for a free consultation and let's bring your vision to life.